So today's weapon of choice, 1984 Volkswagen double cab T3 pickup truck, and we're going to chuck the Komorebi on the dashboard and get some cameras, and we're going to go for a drive and see what the dappling of sunlight through leaves sounds like when you drive about doing it. So I'm in the truck, which is a 1984 Volkswagen double cab pickup truck, which I've had for a little while, added to the collection of other Volkswagens. And I've got the Komorebi set up on the dashboard as an experiment that I was talking about in the previous video. Driving around very, very carefully, completely hands-free, all the rest of it. Just seeing how it's responding, and the current programming is responding to light and sound, and exploring some of the tunnels around here and doing some experiments, and possibly we'll take this back into the studio and do some coding. But I thought that might be a fun thing to do on a beautiful sunny day.
Komorebi is self-powered with a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and the main sensor is a small light sensor that feeds into the logic circuit that's been programmed inside it. An external speaker gives the sound, so it becomes completely portable. pleasant day driving around in a pickup truck. And it was interesting to be accompanied by this odd Komorebi sonic animal. My hope was that the flickering of the lights in the tunnels would trigger it and I could hear what they sounded like. But quite a few of them had moved to LED lights, so the flickering that I remember of yellow sodium lights just wasn't happening. There's a much longer tunnel, about half an hour's drive away, so I think I'm going to make a future video about that. But what I did find is the large changes brought about really interesting dynamics, and seeing and feeling the road and the bright sunlight and the overhanging trees in a completely different way. I'll do some more experimenting. When I've been able to take it through some of these longer tunnels, maybe I'll make a video about reprogramming it to try and respond to the faster movements, or maybe even take it out for a ride on a bicycle. We'll see. I'll see you next time on another studio update.